4 minutes. Let me just go to the normal. So I have a bearish candle going on. So rejection here, price coming down, but it did go up nicely earlier. Well, not nicely, but it did go up. So we have at 9:30 a signal here, comes down, goes up. Now we have this channel built up, strong move down. So on the M1 we have the channel set up. Anyone here? Okay, I'm talking. Okay, yeah, we'll see. We'll do a buy order above the range, and we'll do a sell order below the range. How much do we have in this account? Ah, this is the 9,000 account. Okay. Full margin. Okay. So we have 2 minutes. We really need to do a. What should be my lot size? Let's find out. Around 1 on that. Okay. So for the hourly time frame candle, my lot size is 1. So I'll use that for the 5 minute, and then that would allow me to. It's a waste of time for me, but yeah. The open, actually, not feeling it. We'll see. What's the DAX doing? What's the FTSE doing? The FTSE is still there. Is it going to fly or not? So here we have 20 seconds. The long is still valid. Still a 5 minute pullback. We don't have a high yet. Let's see if I can catch this by taking this breakout. Here we go. The long kicks in, and it's pushing higher. Yeah, looks like I'm going to cancel the shorts. I'm going to bring stop loss for this over here. Let's see if it goes all the way there. Yeah, so breaks pretty nicely. I can, if I want, start to add on now. That's good. Let's move it. I mean, it's just a small thing, isn't it? What is it? £23? Okay. Let's see how much. I mean, I should have added that there when I said I should have. This is just the first minute. So yeah, I'm making £20. Nah, too small. Should have added here, should have added there. But now it's okay. Let's see if this level will hold. Oh, I thought I was streaming to the channel, but anyway, I'm recording it. So even though it's puny, £1 per pip at the moment on the US30, I've done like an idiot, but here we go. That's what it is. Sometimes you just gotta do this. I don't know. I mean, £5 would have been nice. 10 actually. 10 would be nice. Would be around £300 up. Okay, let's just do some waste of time today. All right, let's see if it continues to fly. See, if you look at the hourly chart, what we had was just a down candle, but it never really broke the low, did it? So it was still in an uptrend, and that's why I had that idea. So now it's constantly going up, so I will just keep break. Yay, I've got 33 pound locked. So this should have been 330 pound. Okay. Yeah, 330 would have been nice. I probably would have closed half here, and because it's moving really nicely on this, probably bring stop loss to break even, and then but even if the lot size is small, I have to manage the trade accordingly. You know, if it was a 10 pound per point or 100, when the market moves like this in your favor, there's a higher probability that it can actually snap back on you. So you don't want it to snap back on you. And at the same time, you don't want to choke on its throat as well. So if I broke my stop loss here, that would mean I'm actually trying to get out. And I do that actually from time to time. So like, for example, if I bring it here now, I'm actually inviting the market to stop me out. And that's fine. So I got stopped out on this, and I'm fine with that. So what did we do? We made 35 pound. It's not a big trade, but it gives you the idea what is possible. You know, if it's 1 pound and you made that much, if it was 10, then you know what would you make? If it was 10, you'd make 350. It was 5, you know, 175. Is this something that you would like to do? You see, just like I said, no matter what the account size is, you still have to manage the trade accordingly. So if I thought, oh, you know, the lot size is too small, let's not take profit, that would be stupid. So now I would have given back more than half of my profits, right? But if the lot size was correct, then what I would have done is that I would have taken half there and then moved my stop loss here, and then I would switch to the 5-minute chart and see what it does over there, or just probably just walk away from it. But because I see that it's actually moved all the way from there to there, then maybe it's not a good idea to leave it as a swing trade, because it can actually come down. So we've got our profits and a nice little idea has been recorded for you as well. So now we are seeing, now you see it's a very strong move down. Otherwise I'd be interested to go long here. Actually, I can actually go long on this here. Oh, just delayed. I wanted to go long here so I could put my stop loss for 10 points here. And actually now my stop loss would already be on break even, because I'd be looking to exit there. But now it's a bit too late for me there, because then I will need 20 stop loss, and I don't like that. So yeah, this is where I wanted to go long. Okay. Today it's not money making day, just exercise. So do I really need any of the indicators right now? If you look at it, all I needed was, you know, to see the price where it was, and then I saw this high, and I saw the low here. I saw that level. Let's mark it. And then I went to the M5, and I saw, you know, price going up, then pulling back, and I thought, okay, if it goes above, you know, this could be a good breakout. And then on the 1-minute chart, I used this range to take a breakout trade. And then right in front of you, I can see that there was a cherry here, right? Right at the cherry close. And not just because of the cherry close, but also because it's this level here. So I thought if I go long here, I would go for this target, which now I think that even this was, yeah. If you look at it, this is, yeah, man, this is This is the trend candle. I should have bought it at the close, but I was scared of a 20-point loss on that. So here we go. A good trade and then a bad miss. Okay, bring that back. So what I've noticed is that on the hourly charts, the daily and the 4-hourly charts, the band is a very good measure for you. Price will stay inside it. But on the 1-minute chart and the 5-minute chart for the trading indices, right at the open, you don't really, it doesn't really do anything for you, because everything that's happened right from here, it's a thing of its own. It's got nothing to do with the price, not much to do with the price, so you can't really build on that. So here the channel was relevant, right? It goes up, breaks out, it's kind of stretched, it does a sideways consolidation, like a flag here. Anywhere here you can go long, and then it goes back up, you take your profit, comes back to it, kind of pulls back, you can go anywhere long here and here, take your profits there. Once it goes on the other side, now it's in a downtrend, you can short it here, short it here. But right now, at the open from here, it's a thing of its own. So for that, I would use this type of chart. Do my analysis here, mark the level, mark the low here, go to the 30-minute chart, 5-minute chart. I saw this. I saw that it's up on the day. I see that it's a pullback, but it's still uptrend. So then I thought, oh, this is a little consolidation. Went to the 1-minute chart, marked it here. I can see that it's a box. So anywhere if it, and you saw me, I set a pending order long and a pending order short. I was more keen on the long. It breaks out. I'm in it. Usually I would go long, 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 4 or 5 entries, and then I got out there. Today I don't know why, I just went a small entry because this is not my main account. It's very small. It wasn't fun for me. I'm trading on a wrong account. This is the small account for the seed method only. So yeah, a huge 8%. I think, is it 8? Yeah, I don't know why it's 8. Did we have 8 losing trades on the seed? It has, yeah, around 6% drawdown going on this. But anyway, that's a different thing. So yeah, I took this here on a wrong account and set a good example anyway. That's not too bad. Oh, I forgot about FTSE. Okay. Okay. Well, not a problem. So we have this, the 35 pound on that. That's the trade here. I missed this one. Not a problem. Here we go.